Thanks having you on my crypto video tutorial channel. My name is Hannah. Today, on this very short video, we'll be looking at how to create your Tron wallet on the Token Pocket. First thing to do is to have your Token Pocket downloaded from App Store. If you are using Android, you have it downloaded from the Google Play Store. And if you are using iPhone, you have it downloaded from your Apple Store. Now you open it. Once it's open, it's going to look just like this. And here is the first thing you are going to do next. You go to your top right and click here to check for the currency that you want to pick from the list of wallets. So you're going to pick and select Ethereum among them. Look at Ethereum there. This is what we need. Now we are creating wallet from the Ethereum network for Tron coin. Then you click on it and select Tron or TRX. It's going to pop up this options for you. You will see create wallet and import wallet. So we're creating wallet. You click on create wallet, bring you here, then you click on create wallet again. Then you set in your password. You create your password at least a minimum 8 digits. So let's do this now. Okay. You create it, then you put it down here. Okay, so let's go over this. I'll put in my own password now. So after you must have input your password here, then you repeat it here like this. Enter the same password you input here, you repeat it down here. So after you're done setting your password, click on Create Wallet button down here. So your wallet is loading and it's been created now. Just wait a bit. Okay, next, it will bring you to a page like this. So take note of this warning. Do not take a screenshot for the security of your wallet. So once you click on I got this button here, this will reveal your wallet seed phrase. 12 words in number that will display for you. You have to write them down one after the other correctly, because you need to rearrange it as well. But those 12 number has to be safe in a safe place for you. You need it in the future to retrieve your wallet and recover your funds. Your account should, in case you lost your phone. Okay? So now we have just created our Tron wallet. Your Tron wallet is created already, can see, so that's just it. Okay, to fund your Tron wallet, tap on the TRX icon here and copy your unique Tron address, which is displayed on the next page when you click on Receive button. After your Tron wallet has been funded, I'll be showing you how to fund your Tron wallet in my next video tutorial. Then you proceed with your registration. So if you already have a Tron wallet from Token Pocket, Trust Wallet, TronLink Pro, or Clever Wallet, you are good to proceed to my next tutorial steps. Thank you.